11:30.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Ella, look. Wanna help Daddy open his present?
Daniel has been anticipating this moment for weeks.
Let's see what's in here. Special. I wrapped it. Oopsie. Oh, it's an Apple product. Oh, it's an iPod Touch. It's a new fancy one. Ooh.
Ella, what is it? Yay!
It's the coolest toy ever. I mean, coolest worker thing.
Yeah. It's a school product.
Fancy. Oh. I don't know.
Yeah, Ella's got some plans for that.
Signed in California. Smells like plastic. Your headphones.
Okay, Daniel's smelling it. He'll probably start kissing it as soon as we leave.
Ella. Here, play with that. Fancy packaging.
Yeah.
Very sleek.
Yeah.
Look how tiny it is.
Let's see, real close. Very nice.
It's crazy.
Okay. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Daddy's gonna spend $10 on this thing now.
Happy birthday, Daddy.